Good afternoon, everyone. I am back with a new topic, case study, which is very important for the BBA and MBA graduates to learn about the topic case study. Let me explain in detail about the case study, how to solve the case study in correct way to score full marks in your examinations. And let us learn what is a case study. What is a case study? A case study is a problem already solved in an organization by the managers. It will be given to the BBA and MBA graduates if the problem is given to them, how they will solve by their critical thinking, by their thinking how they will make a decision. That's why this case study was put into your syllabuses, and this case study is also in your question papers also. Sixth question, and let us learn the procedure to solve the case study. There is a step by step procedure to solve a case study. It includes firstly identification of problem, gathering or collection of information, search and evaluation of number of alternatives, select the best alternative, make a decision or decision making to solve the problem, and lastly conclusion, conclude the case study. Let me explain every point in detail. Firstly, you have to read the paragraphs given in the textbook or in the question paper. Read in detail and understand the paragraph and identify the problem. Identification of the case study problem. A problem can be regarded as a differences between the actual situation and the desired situation. Clearly identifying the root cause of a problem. What is the root cause of a problem? You should have to identify. Developing a detailed problem statements and develop a detailed problem statement. Next one is, second one is, after identifying the problem, second one is gathering or collection of information. Gathering information or collection of information. How we can gather the information? By preparing a questionnaire formats, by observation, we can gather the information. Gathering information is the most important part of the critical thinking process. Getting all of the information you need to make a decision will always lead to the best outcome. What is the information you will collect is very important to take a decision regarding the problem in the organization. Next, after gathering or collection of information, we should need to search and evaluation of number of alternatives. We should have to search for the alternatives. A range of creative policies and management alternatives designed to address the approaches to the problem. There are so many approaches will be given, so many options or opinions will be given for the problem in the management. Experiences of others with similar problems. So somebody will experience the same problem in same organization. Experience, we should have to take those experiences. We should have to make research about that problem. We should have to make some findings. We should have to take the expertise opinions, laws, public opinions, polls, etc. After searching and evaluating the number of alternatives, we should have to select the best alternative. From the above information choices, we have to select the best alternative for our problem. After selecting the best alternative, the selection of best alternative from many alternatives is known as decision making. Decision making means it is a process of selecting the best among the different alternatives. It is an act of making the best choice which solves our problem in the organization and make the organization runs in a successful manner. And lastly, after completing above all the 5 points in a correct manner, we should have to conclude the case study. Conclusion is very, very important for the case study. How we will conclude? What is the meaning of conclusion? Conclusion means closing sentence. Conclusion means closing sentence, or it means an opinion that you reach after thinking about a case study. Opinion that you reach after thinking about a case study. From the following 5 points, you will come to a conclusion. You will come to a some summary. With the help of that summary, you should have to make an opinion of the case study. Finally, it may be concluded that decision making is done successfully by following all the aspects. Decision making is done successfully or not. Conclude it. If the decision is correct, if the decision is success, then only the organization will get the profits. If the decision making is not correct, again the organization will go to the losses. Based upon the identification of problem, we have to take a good decision. If you do not take the good decision, it affects the smooth and successful running of the organization. This is all about the case study. This is the procedure be followed by all the universities. This is an apt procedure given by me, is useful for you. I think so it is very useful for you. If you like this video, please like my video. Please subscribe my channel and make a comment. If you have any doubts regarding the management subjects, either BBA or MBA, I will explain you in detail with the notes. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.